All right, so I think we have established that I am moving, and you guys have requested all of the moving videos, ranging from decluttering to the actual moving vlog to everything along the way. So today, what I'm doing is I'm gonna try to declutter, and I'm gonna tell you right now, one of my weakest things in life is organization. I'm not an organized person. It's not a skill that I have naturally. I have ADHD. I am capable of things. Wow. I am capable of things, in case you didn't know. I'm capable of things if I'm taught like a method, like this is how you do this, but that's not something I ever really learned because I had ADHD growing up and my parents didn't know it. My mom just thought I was lazy and she just cleaned for me. So today's video, you're not going to be seeing me showing you how to organize. Today, you're gonna be watching me struggling really hard, trying to get rid of things and downsides for my move. Let's check out the state of my room. Okay, so I actually just put this faux marble on this desk because I'm gonna be using it as my computer desk. I had it as a vanity and I had all my makeup stuff like stored under it and on top of it. So all that stuff is now right here. I actually tried to put it all in a bag so that I could go through it, but then it tipped over and now it's just spilled everywhere. I also just feel guilt throwing things out. There's so much in the landfills that I just feel guilty throwing it away. But it's like, I have this body butter. I don't even use moisturizer on my body. Maybe that's a bad thing. I think I have soft skin. I don't use this. Why do I have it? I feel like I've had it for 2 years. I need to get rid of as much stuff as possible because I don't want to feel overwhelmed in a studio apartment. I have no idea how this is gonna go. If you have any advice, like, hey, you should try doing this or that, or watch this YouTube channel and you'll learn how to do stuff in regards to organization and cleaning, then let me know in the comments. I need some help, guys. I just need to hire a maid or a professional organizer. No, I'm just gonna do it myself. Before we move on, I know you guys love the kitty. Hi, kitty. Louise, are you napping? Oh, she's yawning. I think I'm gonna start out with this thing. I never reach into it. It has a bunch of makeup in it. I actually just got this. I'm gonna keep this. Face mask, love face mask. Not getting rid of you. Okay, see, like, and I go through these and I'm like, where do I even put these? My grandma gave me this. I'm not throwing that away. Oh, and there's earrings. Oh, good, I thought I lost these. This is just like the very starting point. I kind of did a pile of like keep, but also look over. Like, I didn't throw out the makeup brushes yet because I want to put these back with all the others to see which ones I really should get rid of. These are like my more precious items that I wanted to separate so I can, besides this, so I can, put these in a special place. But look at, overall, my throwaway pile is the biggest, and I'm noticing the best way to do this is just not think too much about it and more think about, like, have I used this? It's just so much stuff I don't even use and it's just been sitting there forever. So you're going in the trash. Don't need you. But things like this brush, things like this brush. This might be a bad way to think about it, but I will not get rid of this brush. My grandma gave it to me a few years ago. She's in her 80s. It's not like I have a ton of her things, and she was a hairdresser, so to me, that makes this brush kind of significant. I love my grandma, so I don't want to get rid of it. So I'm not. You're staying. Okay, so now that this whole thing is cleared out, this is made of cardboard, so you're getting recycled. Okay, and I need a thing to keep all the keeping stuff, and I'm putting my to keep stuff in it. I know that this is not organized, but like I said, this is not a strong point. I don't know how to organize very well. So I just figured I'll put all this stuff in here and then at the end, figure out a place for all these things. They're all gonna have to get packed up anyway, so I'll figure it out as I go. And next I think we will move on to this overflowing, spilling out bag of more beauty products. I'm not even a beauty guru. Like, why? Why? Okay, I think my camera died there, but these are my two piles, well, kind of three. Throwaway pile, keep, and then I have some of these items right here. Like, this isn't trash, but I don't need it, so I'm gonna donate it. And then I also have this InStyler thing that I never use, but it's like in perfect condition, so I'm thinking donation, or like, I don't know if I could sell this. Like, is someone gonna want to buy this? That'd be weird, I feel like. I don't know. Although the keep bin is overflowing, we have quite a bit in the throwaway pile. This is almost halfway full, and it is a full-size garbage bag, so not too shabby. One of my problem areas is right here. I have so many makeup brushes. They're all dirty. They're accumulating dust. I feel like my goal should be to keep only one of each kind of brush, clean it, and then the rest I will get rid of, and I will keep them in one of these containers and not have all of this. This is ridiculous. Who needs this many brushes? Progress is happening, although I just realized under the bed more things. Okay, here's a bunch of things that have not been opened. So these could be added to the random giveaway. Actually, I think these are all unopened products. Okay. So we're getting this corner good. But then I have these that have been sitting under my futon that was in here probably for, I don't know, the last year, maybe 2 years. I don't even know what these are for exactly, so I think I'm just gonna toss these. Goodbye. Good to go. Seriously, I have so many things like that where I keep them because I'm like, I'm not sure what this goes to, but I might need it. So then I just keep it and it just like sits there for years. That's one of my issues. Same with anything that like my grandma gives me or even my parents. I have the hardest time. Like, I get emotional attachments to things and I know that that's not good, but it's just true. Did you wake up from your nap? You're such a sleepy cat. Oh, Lou, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. And such a good help. All right, and next I'm gonna go for this corner. It has a bunch of stuff in it. Some of this stuff was on my nightstand that I had here, so I just threw it in that. So it's not like junk that I need to get rid of or anything like that. I just need to figure out a better place to put it. Needed to charge my camera a bit there, but I went through this box. These are all the keeper items. This was on my nightstand. This was on my nightstand. I don't know where to keep them for now. I think I want to keep them stored until I move, just because I have some foot peel masks. You guys know my most viewed video, the foot peel mask video. I was thinking about doing one more, just as a celebration of getting 11 million views on that video. Would you like that? I also have this electronic toothbrush that I got for free. The #1 toothbrush with artificial intelligence, and it's supposed to hook up to your iPhone, and I don't even know. But I don't want to throw this out, but also I feel like it would be super random to do a giveaway for this. What do you think? Should I give this away, or would that be really weird? I'm not tossing it. I just like, or maybe I could give it to someone for Christmas, but that I feel like is a really random Christmas present. Let me know what I should do with this. Side note, how do you feel about this vlog style declutter video? I know my other cleaning videos that I've done have been like nicely filmed on my good camera and voiceover and all that, but man, I'm getting tired. This is why I'm bad at like organization and decluttering, because it's so tiring and it's not enjoyable for me. Someone help. Send help. So now I think I'm going to go through all of the things in my drawers and get rid of what I don't need. Oh, great place to put Fusion Burn and green tea extract, which I don't use. Bye. And I know this is not as good as it probably could be, but much better. That's good enough for me. So I just went through all of my dresser drawers and I have to say I'm very proud of myself. I don't have a huge donation pile. That's it down there. But what I do have left is not a huge amount. And I was actually really good and tossed out a footy pajamas that had a hole in the bottom. I tossed out these pants that actually have sentimental value to me, but the fabric is wearing and it has some holes in it, so I decided I needed to let it go. But that's actually a really good thing for me because, you know, sentimental value is a big thing to me. It's just an object, I don't need it. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more tonight, and then I'm gonna pick this back up tomorrow because I cannot stand this any longer today. Okay, so it is the next day and I think a little bit of progress was made since I last saw you. This bin was overflowing with things that I wanted to keep. I kind of sorted through that and I threw a little bit more out, but more so I categorized it. So right here, right now, we have hair products in here. I moved all of my makeup that I'm gonna be keeping into this little bag. This has some skincare products like moisturizers. I'm storing some of the things in this drawer, things that are just like, you know, odds and ends that were originally over in that corner that I wanted to keep, but I don't know what to do with them right now. I'm just storing them in here until I move. Then I kept all of my possible giveaway makeup in here. And then down here is kind of miscellaneous things. I think the first thing today that I want to tackle is this crazy, insane junk drawer. I can already tell you off the bat, I do not need these foam rollers. I don't need these, and yeah, they're kind of gross, so I don't think anyone would want these, so I'm tossing these. I don't know why I've held on to my old laptop that is completely broken for so long. I've had this broken and in a drawer for several years now, probably 4, maybe 5 years. I don't know my thought process on keeping it. I probably thought that maybe I could recover files and photos, but like, I don't need them. I don't even know what's on here, so you're gone. Here we have a sentimental item that I'm definitely gonna keep. This is a high school cheer sweatshirt. So you're getting washed and I'm keeping it for sure. Well, you get the point. I'm gonna get to work on this and we'll see what we can get rid of. Okay, so it's still a mishmash of random things, but this is much better. Now I just need to work on my organizational skills, but I do figure since I am moving, this is fine. You know, it's okay, we're good. You're sorted, we got rid of a ton. Very good news, guys. We only have a couple more areas to declutter, and that is my desk. Yeah, let's check out this drawer real quick. Why is it that every drawer is a junk drawer in my room? All right, I'm gonna do this as quick as possible. I feel like most of this stuff isn't things that I need to throw out, just things that I need to put away. I think a good thing to declutter is this. Yes, there is a tampon in my pens. So a good amount of them were in working condition, but I threw some out and that looks a lot better. Now the beast of this area. Guys, I think I did it, and in a somewhat organized manner. So back here, I'm keeping my sentimental things like these notes from my parents. Here we have phone charging related things like portable chargers and cords, some batteries, some notepads, a pile of thank you cards, a chapstick. This is just a random place to put it, but it fits. I decided to put my glasses in here instead of up there. And then this is like headphones and kind of random things, but that's okay. Overall, I think this is a much better situation. What do you think, Louise? You think it's good? Did I do a good job?
Did I do a good job? I did, thank you. Thank you, Lou. Oh, you're so excited.
Okay, although it is getting dark out, or is actually fully dark out right now, I started at 3 today and it's 5, so this whole process took me half of a day and then 2 hours of another day. Not that bad, I don't think. Let's see all the stuff I'm getting rid of. So I managed to completely fill up one garbage bag and then almost another one. Remember, this wasn't just like normal garbage. These were things like in my makeup drawer and like a lamp and old clothing that had holes in it, things that were taking up storage space. So that is a lot of things to not have to store in a studio apartment. Then I have my donations bag, and then some throwaway and recycling. Okay, so I took the trash out and I did a quick vacuum of the floors. This was not an organization video, it was a declutter video, which I think I successfully got rid of a good amount of things. So just a reminder of what my room was looking like before this. And now let's look at how much we got rid of. You remember this corner of my room? There's actually floor to walk on. And as I already showed you, I don't really know where to put this stuff. I'm just gonna kind of leave it like this, and I'll figure out the right place to put it at my new place. I only have a few weeks left here anyway. And you remember how crowded this corner was? Got rid of all that stuff. My drawers are way better, like much better. And then we have my under the bed junk drawer, which is still a bit of a junk drawer just because of like the mishmash of things, but it's not too bad anymore, huh? And my desk, which is much more functional, as you know by now. Yeah. Well, there you have it. I decluttered my room. Pat on the back to myself. I know it's not a perfect job, but it's a start and that's what matters. So any of you, if you need to declutter, go do it. I just did it. You could do it too. If I can do it, you definitely can. I'm thinking my next video might be going through and packing up / starting to prepare to pack my closet. Would you like to see that? I know you guys want all of the moving videos. You're definitely gonna get them. So let me know what you wanna see, but that's all I have for you today, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye guys.